Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to, by request, try to do a rotation of a figure about a fixed point like we talked about in class yesterday. And we're going to do this by using software that we have. Let's switch to the sketchpad. Alright, I've got a triangle here, ABC, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees around point O. And like we talked about, the first thing we need to do is to connect each vertex, and we'll start with C. We'll connect C to our rotation point. Then we'll take our super cool protractor, and hopefully I'll be able to operate this okay. And we want a 90-degree angle, right? So we're going to mark our 90-degree. Mark ourselves a 90-degree angle. Move our protractor back out of the way, and then we're going to connect that line. So let's connect line, our point through that point, make sure it's nice and long enough. Now we need to match this point OC with OC prime, so I need to know that distance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a compass. We're going to grab our compass, we're going to set it up at point C. We're going to open the compass, I hope, to that distance. And then we're going to try to draw an arc around it. There we go. Going back, we need to mark that point. That point becomes our C prime. I'm going to erase some of this other stuff that we don't really need when we go to the next line. So we'll get rid of the rest of this. And now we have C prime. Next, we're going to connect our next vertex, which will go A next. So let's draw a line to A. Grab our protractor, set it up at there, rotate it till we got it all right, and then we'll mark our point. Move the protractor out of the way. Next we'll draw a line connecting point O through there. Once again, we'll grab our compass. We'll set our compass to point A. We will open it. We'll try to open it to O.
Good morning.
Good morning. And we'll set it to point O, and then we'll draw ourselves an arc.
Did you say something?
Yeah, I'm working on a video.
Oh, you're working. Sorry.
And next we'll mark that point. That point becomes our A prime. Try to erase some of this too, so we don't get too much stuff going on. So if we don't get rid of our A prime, we're okay. Oops. And we only have one more point to do, so let's connect our point of rotation O, point B, grab our protractor, our 90-degree angle measure, move the protractor out of the way. Let's draw a line from our rotation point through the 90-degree angle. Next we just grab our compass, set it up at point B, measure our distance, and draw the arc. Mark that point. This point becomes B prime. And the last thing we just have to do is draw our brand new triangle. And let's make it a nice green triangle. We'll go from point A to B, A to C prime, and B prime to C prime.